Welcome to 8th grade course selections for current 7th graders. In this video, we'll talk about how to fill out your Google form and how to register in PowerSchool. Let's start by going over how to fill out the Google form. You can find this Google form in your email or on the Scarlet Distance Learning website. First, write your email, first name, last name, 6-digit student ID number. That's your lunch number. Next, you're going to choose your math class. There are a few options. If you'd had Miss Kent or Miss Thorson this year, you should choose Math 8. The other options are Algebra 1 AC and Geometry AC. If you think you might want to take one of these classes, you need to check in with your math teacher from this year. Next, you need to choose your world language. You need to choose the same world language that you chose this year. Next, you're going to decide if you're taking music next year. Your choices are band, orchestra, choir, or no music. If you're taking band, orchestra, or choir, you're going to choose one additional class. Your choices are art, drawing, painting, and composition, art, designing and nature, digital photo and printmaking, art, ceramic, sculpture, and applied art, PE Health 2, PLTW, medical detectives, PLTW, energy and the environment, theater, or SNAP, which is a really cool program where you will get matched up with a 6th grader and get to help be their mentor. Remember, you have already been signed up for PE Health 1 and PLTW 1, so that might help you make your choice. Click Next. If you're taking a music class, you're done. You can scroll to the bottom and press Submit. If you're not taking a music class, you need to pick one art class you want to take next year, and then you need to pick 3 additional classes. Remember, you've already been signed up for PE Health 1 and PLTW Computer Science, so you have to choose 3 additional classes. You can choose another art class, but make sure not to choose the same art class you chose here. Then press Submit. Now let's go over how to register in PowerSchool. When you log in, you should see grades and attendance. Make sure you go down and click on Class Registration. If you're in 8th grade, you'll see 6 classes have already been selected for you: PLTW, Lang and Lit, INS, CCA, Science, and Health. Next, you need to choose a math class. Click this button with the exclamation point and choose one math class. If you had Miss Thorson or Miss Kent this year, you're choosing 8th grade math. So almost everyone is choosing 8th grade math. If you did not have Miss Thorson or Miss Kent, you need to email your math teacher to find out which math class you should sign up for. Next, you need to choose your world language. Click here. You have to choose one world language. You need to sign up for the same class that you took this year. Now is the point where you're choosing if you're taking music or not. If you are choosing to take music, you're going to click here. If you are not choosing to take music, you're going to click here. So I'll start pretending I'm taking music. I click here, and your choices are band, choir, and orchestra. Then you get to pick one more class. There's 3 art options. You can sign up for a second PLTW class, or you can sign up for a second PE class. There's also more options on the next page. There's also SNAP, peer mentoring, and theater as options. If you're not taking music, you're going to choose the gray box. You're choosing 4 classes. You can choose an art class, you can choose to take another PLTW class, or you can choose to take a second physical education class, or SNAP peer mentoring, or theater. Again, you're picking 4 classes, and one of them has to be an art class. If there's anything that you need assistance with from your counselor, if you're not sure, click here. This lets your counselor know they need to contact you. If you feel good about your course selections, don't press anything. There are no additional requests. Make sure that you have requested 7.98 credit hours. If you have a different number, when you press Submit, it's going to tell you to go back. If you made a mistake, you can click on the pencil right next to the checkmark box, and you can change your choices, and then click OK. Again, at the end, you can review your course selections. Here are some important dates and deadlines. The Google form was emailed to you on April 19th. The responses to your Google form are due on April 24th. All of your classes need to be entered in PowerSchool by May 1st. Remember, if you have any questions, please reach out to your counselors. We are happy to help.